take a look at this guy. Look at the paint on this car.
What are they?
This is what, price wise?
I know, but they're Japanese.
Yeah. It's a very good car, guy. You can put a big engine in this car. This is the same car that I told you my boy had in his garage, and then he passed. This was the car.
Fuck, guy.
Yeah.
This is clean mint. It's fucking full tire in the back.
Yeah, there's serious power in these things you can put. This one is mint though.